What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. It is Raffle Tuesday, I guess. Jordan Raffle Tuesday. I don't have any videos for you guys, so I just figured I'd go dick around, go check out a couple spots for you guys. Let's go see what they got me. As mentioned in my other video from yesterday, hope you guys aren't dying to get these shoes, especially for retail, man. Backdooring is just crazy. This store is pretty clean, so I figured I'd try and just get some content for you guys, because I'm always looking for content, man. Always looking for content. Is it even worth it? To be honest, probably not. But like I said, I just need content for you guys. So that's kind of why I'm out and about. That's what we're going for right here. As mentioned in yesterday's video, demand hella high on these. I'm not expecting any dubs, but you know, might as well try since I need videos. Dude got Bosco. We happened to see each other here. Wasn't planned. Make sure you guys check out his channel. Yeah, he had to get in. This is his local store. So you know, local mall. Mine's Northridge, but I've been coming here lately. So yeah, he came in. Good. Check out his channel. The info's right here. Yeah. Good see. All right, spent like 20 minutes talking to Bosco, man. I always love talking to Bosco. Haven't seen him in a while. Our schedules just haven't aligned. So, you know what I'm saying? So, we're supposed to do a live a few days ago, but that didn't even work out either. So, but yeah, dude got the Citrus 7s right here. Material's still super dope. Man, only person that reminds me of the 7s is Mike Rich, though, because not too many people fans of the 7s. Will was a fan of this one, actually. He was trying to find it on discount. Still the PSG 5s. Still got these. I'm trying to remember the name of these. Got the Afro Beats. I think that's on 14 still. We're gonna start seeing some of this stuff on sale. Man, that'll be back to 2018 for sure. The Gore-Tex right here going for $2. Couple more mids. These lows. Never seen these. They're killing that weird look, man. Buck and a quarter for these. Then got the 12 still, the Stealth 12s. I'm still a fan of these, man. Still like them. Then, of course, the 11 low IEs. Now, what the heck is this? These I thought these was like some cool Kais or something. Like some knockoff, but kind of not really knockoffs. Like, what the heck? Dude, that's just wild, bro. That's wild. I don't even know the name of these. Obviously, patent leather on the medial side right there. Lateral side, got that welcome. I don't know who is this guy right here. I don't know, but yeah, dude got these bad boys. 120 for those. Still got the women's 11s, Hyper Royal women's right there. And these look like men's sizes, don't they? Oh, it's a size 7. Okay. Got some Blazer lows. This is grade school though. $50 for these. You got nice little sales table right here. $40 for these Vans right here. Bunch of sizes. $40 for those. Dude, the entire time I've been here for a while, because Bosco and I were talking. There have been at least 4 or 5 people like signing up for the raffle the entire time. Numbers are ridiculous. Numbers are going to be ridiculous. These ain't even on sale. What the hell? Got the Adidas. Still got these. I still love these. Size 13. Still not on sale though. LeBron 19s down to $100 here as well. Also the lows. Pretty decent prices for those. Seen some Air Forces I've never seen. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. $130. A little bright for me. A little too bright. I'm surprised they don't have these on sale. I thought some of the Kyries would be on sale. Heard they're back to regular price at Footlocker. We're gonna have to check. I'm a fan of the music here though. I'm a fan of the music. All right, let's go check though. We gotta go check a couple other stores. I have a few other malls hit up too. Damn, I wanted to try to hit up a couple more shoe houses. I don't know how much time I'm gonna have. Damn, that's what happens when you leave work on time instead of early. Dang it. Some of these prices cheaper than the outlets, man. I'm telling you, cheaper than the outlets. Man, bunch of Prestos on sale. Got these. I'm not a fan of the mid, so not the mid Prestos. Infinity Door Flyknit 2s going for $80. Got the Pegasus 39s on sale. Canvas ones all on sale for 30. Well, not all of them too. I think last store went to those two were also on sale too. Okay, so 3 out of 4 on sale. That one might be on sale too. Air Max 90s going for $100. Yep. Air Max 90, 97s. Seen them for that price. I thought, have we seen those for 100? Air Max Plus going for $80. Holy crap. A couple of them go for $80. Actually, 3 of them, a trio. Wow. And then, as I mentioned earlier, Kyrie's back to $100, man. Remember, these were on sale for $60. Looks like it was only 2 days. I did discuss that with Bosco. Yeah, only 2 days, man. That's crazy. And the Jordans here. Nothing too crazy. Got these mids as well. What these mids going for? What they go for? $135. And then didn't Nike say they're not going to release these? Oh no, these are the Kyrie lows. My bad, the Kyrie low 5s. I thought these were the Kyrie 9s. No, they're not. And the Infinities right here go for regular price. Really? $60 and then regular price now? It's so confusing. Crocs on sale. Been seeing them on sale quite a few places. Oh, that's the only colorway though for the traditional Crocs. I got these things right here, but I don't know, are people into these slide looking ones? I think everybody likes those clog looking things, right? I don't really wear Crocs though, sorry. Got a couple of the Adidas Gills right there. I'm not too big a fan of these two colorways. There's better ones out there. Then do got the 1080 V, which one's the V11s? I believe the 12s are out or about to come out or something, because we rarely ever see the current generations of the 1080s on sale. The Max Cushion running shoe. What's this? This kind of looks like the LeBron Soldiers, the Rebel trainers. Okay, no laces on these New Balance. Okay. All right, kind of need to speed things up. I need to get my butt to the next mall pretty quick because I want to hit up at least 2 more malls today. I don't know if it's going to happen. Dang, everybody's getting ready for Christmas and the holidays. Oh, dang, dude. Not even Thanksgiving yet. What the hell? All right, we do got a finish line. Last store that we're checking out. This is probably going to be quick. I haven't seen anything here in a good minute, man. It's been a cool minute. It's empty as hell, too. Usually a reason why. Do got a few dunks. These Halloween dunks still around. I think I said the bottom is it glows in the dark, but I don't think it is. Yeah, someone mentioned it in the comments. I think you're right. It's just that recycled material. Halloween dunks still here. That's crazy. Got a couple of the grade school ones in here. Okay. Checking out the Jordan section. $120 for these. Got the gum bottom right there. Oh, this is like a stamped suede or something. That's definitely interesting. All right, got more lows. $110 for both of these. Got some mids right there, which is $1.25. Yeah, $125. 12s. Then still do got these, man. When these go on sale, I'm gonna have to grab one. They're on sale at some places, but prices haven't been that low. I'm not really buying too much stuff right now because I'm hoping for the Alma Maniers tomorrow for you guys, 2 days from right now, but hope I can grab one of those and then one of the Lost and Found Jordan 1s, but we'll see. But yeah, I do got this Air More Tempo. I've never seen this colorway. It's definitely interesting. It's just $175. We still got 2 on sale. Wow, these finally on sale. I'm not a fan of these, but for $125 maybe, you know. Answers also on sale right here as well. All right, I do gotta go. Yeah, I gotta hit up, like I said, 2 more malls. I don't know if I'll make it. We gotta try. All right, let's go home and talk about things. All right, guys, that was that was the mall, you guys. That was the Westfield Fashion Square. I think that's what it's called. The one in Sherman Oaks. The whole point of this vlog was to kind of show you guys the raffle process. Some of you guys mess with the raffles a ton. Some of you guys haven't done so. Is it worth it? I don't know. The percentage of people who are gonna win is gonna be hella low. You know, I equate each of those each of those tickets to be less than 1% chance of actually winning. You know, I did end up going to three different spots, or 3 different shoe palaces, and man, each one, tons and tons of people, tons and tons of tickets. Like some of them, they were putting them in by size and stuff like that, and you could just see like they had stacks of tickets. So man, I don't see myself winning, but I needed content. I needed videos. I didn't have any videos. I wasn't able to go to that many sneaker shops this past weekend, so I had to go to some today anyways. So I figured I'd go hit up the raffles just to see how it works. I did make a video about these ones. They're gonna be tough, super tough to get. There's gonna be a lot of pairs out there, but you know, you're gonna have to put a lot of effort into it. The morning of, I'm gonna maybe do a live comp, because I am trying to get one for a friend of mine. So probably do a live comp on that, and we'll see how it goes. I have tons and tons and tons of videos to get you guys. Hopefully I can get you guys another video later today. I'm gonna try to knock out 2 videos a day, as many times as I can. There's so many topics to talk about. I talked to Bosco for like 20 minutes. We were just sitting there talking up for 20 minutes, because there's just so much to cover, so much to talk about. And then we talk about YouTube, and we talk about all that other stuff. But we were both saying just how much there is to talk about in the sneaker world right now. The StockX thing, you know, that was crazy news. The resale prices falling, but they're not falling for everything. They're falling for, you know, a lot of things, but there's still things with tons of resale. So it doesn't look like resale stopped much at all, to be really honest. There's the Kyrie situation. There's also the Kanye situation. There's just so much to talk about. Unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to have a live stream with you guys. Unfortunately, my schedule's just been killer. Just haven't had, you know, 2-3 hours to sit here and just talk to you guys. So, you know, do apologize for that, but definitely have tons and tons of videos. I'm gonna try to get you a video about the StockX thing, how they took the authentication tag off and stuff. You know, it's pretty big news. But yeah, thank you so much for rocking with the channel, you guys. I did hit 5 million views, total views for the channel. That was a pretty dope milestone. I did share that on Instagram. I've been trying to make a lot of stories, so when I am out and about and I see something dope, I do try to post that on YouTube. I did stories, I call it stories. On YouTube Shorts, I'm trying to post that on YouTube Shorts, and then other things I am trying to post on Instagram. So make sure you guys check YouTube, check your YouTube notifications, stuff like that, because I do post the shorts and they come whenever I'm at the store, so they're just gonna come and randomize. And then make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that is the easiest way to contact me. But yeah, thank you so much for rocking with the channel. Thank you so much for supporting each and every one of my videos. But yeah, gonna try to get you guys all these videos. Got plenty coming. Make sure you help your boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. And yeah, man, just can't thank you all enough. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.